is what daddy's looking for, baby! Come on! You gonna come at me? Well, then come at me, cause I'm a gangster, bitch! Let's go! Who wants some of this? Oh, fuck! Get away from me, bitch! Get the fuck away from me! Suck my dick! Damn it! Oh my god! Oh my god! Fuck! Whew! Damn, she's spaying more blood than her monthly period. What the hell's going on over here? Holy shit! Man, I'm not scared anymore. Yeah, you know that? I'm not scared. Bitch! Scared of this dick. Oh god, why am I here? Holy shit! Oh fuck that! Fuck this game! Okay. So it's not just restarting the game. This thing takes forever and ever. This thing takes forever. What the fuck? I just started! What the fuck? Leave me alone, you stupid game! Oh my god, I just got in the damn building! I just said it takes for fucking ever to get to the spot. And then he just went, and then fucking